Hi mga kabatak, this is Alex. Ngayon po ay ang aking intro ng aking. My name is Alexander David Romero. I was born June 4, 1983. I was graduated at Dr. Pilimon C. Aguilar Memorial College, BSBA, Banking and Finance. I am married with one son and my wife, Joanna Lisa Romero. Um, my hobbies are planting, plantito, playing magic cards, reading Bible. So guys, nakikita niyo mga bio na yan. I was born at Navotas City. Yung 6 years old ako, lumipat kami na Las Piñas. 1993, up to now, 37 years old na ako. Before guys, meron kaming isang mansion, bahay, house. Ngayon, wala na. Nag-give na po tayo ngayon. Pero ganyan talagang buhay ay parang gulong pa. Well, minsan nasa baba, minsan nasa taas. That's it.